Hey, Scott from MyGrowthRings.com here, and here happens to be a Holiday Inn Express somewhere outside of Minneapolis. Yeah, I've been out of town all this week, and so I haven't had a chance to record the follow-up video to this weekend's video, which itself was a day late. That video was on using Google Patents to search for patents and a little bit about the history of Shopsmith. Also, I announced in that there's a 5,000 subscriber giveaway I want to do. So the plan is to draw several of your names and send you something that I use in my shop, kind of one of my favorite things. So I'm going to do that drawing tomorrow. If you're not entered in the contest, you need to leave a comment on that video. If you happen to be a channel member, you're automatically entered. So we'll get that video recorded and posted tomorrow, and so you have a little bit of time to get that entry placed, and look forward to seeing you then. All right, make it a great night.